Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own investment analysis agent using Dify, a super easy no-code platform, and integrate it with SambaNova's powerful AI models. Don't worry if you're new to this is a 100% beginner-friendly demo. I'll walk you step by step from setting up your Dify account, connecting SambaNova Cloud, all the way to building and deploying your own AI agent for investment analysis. By the end of this video, you'll be able to follow along and create your first agent, even if you have zero coding experience. First, create your free account on Dify. Next, open Dify Studio and choose a pre-built template. Select the Investment Analysis Report template, which uses Yahoo Finance for financial data. Go to Settings and add your SambaNova API key. That's it. Your own financial analysis agent is ready, no coding needed, and you can deploy it anywhere you want. If you enjoyed this demo, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I regularly share new videos on AI and automation using no-code and low-code tools. Hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.